distraction from the dark corner. I'm so tired and so lonesome. Some skeletons in your clothes won't let me love you any less. I wanna get back to you. Now with this, now I want someone who can teach me how to get down. Said I must confess, and I don't wanna know why. Try to be afraid